Good day, sir. This is my short reflections about chapter 2, unpacking the self, focusing on the topic human sexual behavior. For me, learn about human sexual behavior helped me understand that sexuality is a natural part of being human. It's not only about physical attractions but also about emotional values and respect. This topic reminds me to be responsible for my actions and decisions when it comes to relationships. It's also taught me that important of consents, communications, and mutual respect. Overall, understanding human sexual behavior helped me become more self-aware and build healthier, more respectful connections with others. Thank you, sir.